Hey there, it's Dustin over here at Jeff Perry Buick GMC. Just wanted to give you a quick look at this 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. It's in very, very nice shape. Previous owners bought another Avalanche in 2011. Went up a couple years. The people that traded the 2011 bought a brand new Avalanche because this is the last year that they were making this body style, because this platform is moving on, coming out with a new Yukon and Tahoe platform. So it is certified 12,000 miles or 12 months of bumper-to-bumper coverage, just like a new car for 12 months or 12,000 miles. Get 2 years or 30,000 miles of free oil changes and tire rotations. And for those of you watching in other states or other towns that don't make it to LaSalle, Peru area very often, you can take those oil changes with you back home. So no worries on missing out on those. Your local dealership can do those for free, just as well as we can. Remote start. Good old 5.3 liter V8. Flex fuel. Has the 4-cylinder mode. The cylinder deactivation. Four-wheel drive. Cloth seats. Notice the seats are not torn or anything like that. No major stains. Adjustable foot pedals, rear park assist, dual climate control, CD player, $53,906 for miles. Remember the original commercials? Change for a buck? Put stuff down in there for storage. Probably wouldn't work too well as a live well, but it's your part of your jack. They both lock. Nice vehicle all around. Tow package. Pop the hood here. Let you listen to the motor. As you can hear, no odd squeaks or groans. It's your typical 5.3 liter V8. Awesome engine. Great fuel economy. Great power. We see these coming here with a ton of miles on them. And our farmers in this area don't exactly treat them as a grocery getter truck either. Updated grill in this one. Reduced in price, $24,718. Certified, free oil changes, free tire rotations, free XM for 3 months, free OnStar for 3 months, with directions and connections. That means you get navigation in this for 3 months. 815-993-6140 is my number. Again, this is Dustin from Jeff Perry Buick GMC. Talk to you soon. Thank you.